The Ultra Containment Berm, Ultimate Model, is a portable containment unit to help capture leaks, drips, and spills, and prevent them from polluting and contaminating the environment. The engineered design is perfect for equipment maintenance and portable drum containment. The Ultra Containment Berm, Ultimate Model is, as its name implies, the ultimate combination of convenience and economy. The flexible stakes on the drive-in and drive-out sides of the berm mean there is no setup or takedown of walls necessary. Drivers can remain in their trucks without concern of setting up struts or supports. It is a true drive-in and drive-out containment berm. The long sidewalls of this model use PVC frames for support. Each of these frames will need to be set up initially, but once set up, nothing further is required unless the berm will be moved or vehicle access is required from those sides. Ultra containment berms help comply with EPA Container Storage Regulation 40 CFR 264.175 and SPCC requirements. They are available in many standard sizes. Custom sizes are also available,